Micron Technologies, maybe a company that produces a product that you're using right now, right? They produce SSDs and memory and probably other things. When I say memory, I mean like RAM. So I don't know, maybe over here in my tower, this direction here, I've got some Micron technology in there. I don't know. But hey, we're going to look at it regardless and see whether or not it's a trade for us. Micron Technologies, ticker symbol MU, is our cherry bomb for today, Thursday, May 6th, 2021. Its IV rank is 16, but it's highly liquid. Look at those 4 drops of liquidity right there. That's pretty good, right? So we're going to be looking at doing some long premium, a long call vertical, because, you know, it's been sideways. If you look at it back on January 20th, it's pretty much at the same price as it is right now. So, is it giving us some room to grow up? We'll see. Let's hop on in, shall we? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I'm down here in the bottom left corner. Thank you so much for joining us here. If you like today's trade and you do put it on, I'd love for you to leave me a comment in the bottom what your fill price is. I'm trying to make that a new habit as well, too, so that when I close orders, I can go back into the video and also put the closing price as well. You know, keeping it transparent, keeping it real. As much as we can keep it real, because we are in simulated trading. I'm sure you can see that up there. This is what I like to call the flight simulator. If you're new, even if you're not new, this is a great place to practice your mechanics. I hope you'll join us, but let's get going. On screen here, you can see our portfolio that we've put together using mostly cherry bombs. Stick around to the end. I'll also tell you how you can get the same emails that we get with trade ideas 4 days a week. All right. Let's go to the chart. We can see here, we're looking at MU, and we can see this is where we are now. And if we follow that straight line back here, that's what I was talking about here, roughly January 20th, we're sideways movement here. Yes, there were ups and downs along the way, but, you know, had you been long here, and then you held to this point, you'd be right where you were, right? So, after seeing this much downward movement, and we're hitting some recent support here, are we going to bounce back up again? I guess that's sort of what we're hypothesizing is could be the case. When with low IVR, it's not a bad opportunity to buy some premium and, you know, risk one to make one. So let's build out a long call vertical, or this bullish trade idea here for MU or Micron. Let's go to the Analyze tab, Add Simulated Trade. Make sure you have MU typed in your ticker box. And we're going to be, again, like yesterday's trade in ARC, right, in the June 11th weeklies with 36 days to expiration. So we're going to be over here buying the 84 call and selling the 86 call. I'm going to hold down the control key and click on that so that I can combine this into one trade rather than it being 2 separate trades. And now we're looking at a debit of 93 cents on this one. Pardon me, allergies. And yeah, we're buying one contract. Make sure that if you have a different number there, you're okay with that position size. All right, with that, we're going to go up to the risk profile to check out our probabilities. Normally, these long call spreads or long put spreads, you know, don't have the best probability of profit. They're better than a regular long call, that's for sure. Just give me 1 second here. I have to type in a password because my session with Tastyworks just timed out. All right, we're back. And now, let's go over to the date in the top right corner. Should match the date we see in turquoise in the bottom left corner. It does not, so let's match that. June 12th, there we are. And I think my expected moves are in the right place. I'm happy with that. But let's get these gold price slices away and have just the one where it crosses the x-axis at expiration. So I want to set them to break even at expiration. And we're looking at only a 48% probability, which matches exactly what we see in Tastyworks. 48% probability of profit, or ending up on or to the right of this gold price slice. That's not awesome. However, Tastyworks does give us a different metric. It gives us the P50, the probability that we can make 50% of this max profit in the next 37 days, somewhere in there. And that's a 67% P50. So we could make, you know, 53.50 in the next, we have 67% chance of that happening. So is this a trade you like? Is this a trade you would do a different strategy? I'd love to know what you think. Please leave me a comment down below, and I'm going to right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send, so that we can review our max profit and max loss. We don't go into trades knowing what we could lose, or without knowing what we could lose and what we could make. All right, we can make more than we can lose. That's why our probabilities are against us. But I guess every once in a while it's fun to buy a lottery ticket. So let's go ahead and buy this lottery ticket. Going to hit send and put that in my margin account, and we'll see what happens. This is a short video today. I hope you got some ideas out of this one. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you leave me that comment with your fill price, I will leave you a like on that comment. I do appreciate any comments that I get that are not those spam that go to naughty sites comments. I do appreciate that. Thank you. All right. So I told you I'd tell you how to get the same email that we get. Well, it's real simple. All right. You want to head down to the description. There's a link that takes you over to the Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb or email list sign up page. Really, there's several email lists that they have. I recommend all of them, but we use the Cherry Bombs to build out our portfolio here, to practice our mechanics in this flight simulator. Maybe you didn't even know you could have a flight simulator like this that Thinkorswim gave you paper money. Definitely worth something to look into. If you're new to this kind of thing, there is a link in the description as well for a playlist called Getting Started with Thinkorswim. I hope that helps you. I put it together about a year ago. And of course, if you have any questions, as always, just leave them in the comments. All right. Next thing you can do is when you're ready, there's a subscribe button. If you hit that button and ring the bell, you'll be notified when our trades come out. Ideally, 5 days a week we should be having trades if I remember to upload them. All right, everybody, until I see you in tomorrow's final Cherry Bomb of the week, may the market be with you.